They mixed the name.
Ano yung names nila?
My grandpa's name is Joel, and my grandma's name is Melly. So they mixed it to
Jomelly.
Jomelly.
Bali, half-sister mo si Windy.
Yes.
Tama. Are you close?
Yes, but we don't really get to see each other often due to she's busy right now. But we do see each other in family gatherings.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, she knows na you're joining at this pageant.
Yeah.
Have you had a chance na binigyan ka niya ng tips or advice being a beauty contestant?
Not quite yet. She's busy right now, but she wants me to teach. She wants to teach me. Yeah.
Sinabi niya na
Yeah.
tuturuan ka niya.
Like sometimes.
Sa ano tong beauty pageant na to? Ano tong
What's the
beauty
complete title of the pageant? Miss.
Miss Teen.
Miss Teen Global Beautiful.
How old are you?
I'm 15.
Miss Teen.
Yeah.
Ilang pageant mo na to?
Hmm?
Ilang pageant mo?
This is my first pageant is Miss Teen International. Like this is my first. So
First
I've only
international.
ever been in fashion shows like model clubs in my school. But that's it.
Who's your mom?
My mom, she's over there.
What's her name?
I'm not sure if I want to.
Okay. But
Yeah.
she's not from showbiz.
No, she prefers to keep it
How close are you to your dad?
very close.
Super. Are you the youngest na anak mo?
Yes, the youngest.
Ano sabi niya nung nalaman niya nasali ka sa Miss Teen Global?
Well, he was supportive on what I do, but he was concerned at first because of my education. But then again, he's supportive on what I do and what we'll do for my experience.
How is he as a father?
Oh, he's great. He's amazing. He done so much for me. Yeah.
Like, for example, ano yung mga sweet na ginagawa niya for you?
I remember I was begging my dad to buy me a tiara because my tiara broke before when I was a baby.
Ay, ano tiara?
Before, but like it broke.
Why did you...
It was like a plastic from a Dollar Tree, like from a store. And I remember my dad, he bought me a lot.
A lot of tiara. So, baby ka pa lang, gusto mo talaga nang maging beauty queen?
Well, I never realized I wanted to be a beauty queen until I started experiencing pageants. Because growing up, I always liked fashion and like modeling. But ever since I started this, I've grown to like it.
Pero teka, saan ka lumaki? Dito sa Pilipinas?
Yes, Philippines.
O grabe ang
Accent.
ang accent.
Oh, because I learned English first and then, you know.
Anong school mo ba?
Oh, San Beda College, Alabang.
Dito malapit na.
Alabang.
Nabanggit mo kanina yung Miss Teen International, you won that title.
I won a title.
Ito na
So,
yun.
yung una mo, yung Miss Teen International, tama ba?
Hindi, itong Miss Teen Global, tapos na to, di ba, nag-win ka na? O hindi pa?
Hindi, siya yung
Kasi may
representative.
crowning and charging eh.
Sino mo yung
Kasi siya ang you're the representative of the
representative ng
Philippines.
Philippines?
Kaya naka-crown siya as the
Okay.
representative of the Philippines. Yung Miss Teen International, kailan yun?
That was like, I don't remember. Wait, that's such long. Last month, Miss Teen International.
Nanalo ka din doon.
I didn't get a crown, but I was able to get titles and 4 major awards. And that was my first time actually.
So wala kang title doon, ito ang may title ka. itong
No,
Miss-
I was able to get a title in Miss Teen International.
Ba't paano ka napunta dito? Di dalawa titles mo. Or sandali, kaya ka
Hindi
ikaw ang
naman.
mag-represent ng Philippines
Nililito
because
mo
you
eh.
won Miss Teen.
Oo, yun ba yun?
I'm sorry.
Okay, yun ba yun?
That's it.
Ganon.
Yeah.
O, ganon
okay.
ba?
So pinipili kasi nila nung yung magiging representative
Oo.
ng di ba paano ganyan.
Sino-sino mga influences mo or idol mo ng mga beauty queens?
There's countless of beauty queens that inspired me, especially
Like who?
especially my sister and my mom's side of the family because she used to be a beauty queen.
Oh,
And
your
she-
mom.
What's her title?
She was Miss Pasay City before.
Miss Pasay.
Miss
Pasay
Pasay.
City.
Oo, yung
Aside
Like
from
in her
them.
college days, and she inspired me a lot actually. I look up to my family a lot, especially my mom.
Do you live with your dad?
I don't want to answer.
Okay.
It's private.
Yeah, but you're very close.
Yes, I'm very
Hindi
close.
ka mag-artista like your dad.
I'll think about it, but I want to pursue my education first and then beauty pageantry.
nag-aaral ka pa
Because I
rin?
want to step by step. Yeah.
Anong year ka na?
Year?
Oo. Anong
Grade.
grade?
I'm grade 9.
Grade
Still high
9.
school.
Then eventually, anong gusto mong kuning course?
Oo, course sa
I'm
finance.
human, so I want to do
oo.
something with language,
Mm.
like writing, arts, all of that.
Com arts.
Yeah.
May suitors ka na, Jomel.
Oh.
Bawal pa. Malugatin mo,
It's bawal
Malaki ang
pa, it's
kanya ng
bawal.
mata, ha?
Very, actually.
Mahigpit ba si daddy pagdating sa ganyan?
He's not supportive about suitors. But when it comes to that, I don't want to focus yet on that. When I'm older.
Yes.
Yes.
Kung
Tama
ito
naman.
talaga yung passion mo.
Well, I have a lot of passion, like arts. I like drawing a lot and singing. But this is just like I just discovered.
So kumakanta ka rin.
Yeah.
So how do you feel that Winwin is joining Miss Universe Philippines again this time?
Oh, I'm proud of her.
Yeah.
Her journey, she inspired me. Yeah. Is there any more questions?
Ilang kayo magkakapatid? Yung sa mom mo?
I have four. We're five. In
Five.
in my
And your-
mom's side. And my dad's side,
Millions. Oh,
16, I think. Yeah, 16.
wait, yung lima, same dad. Ang dad niyong lima, si Sir Joey. Kayo lima. O ikaw lang.
Me and my two siblings.
So yung dalawa.
And you're the eldest.
No, I'm the youngest.
May ate ka.
Yes.
Ayaw niya mag-pageant.
She prefers to do law. Like she wants to continue doing law.
You're much prettier in person than in your pictures.
Thank
Yeah.
you.
Oo nga.
Much pretty in person.
You look like a princess, Jo.
I love princesses. Yeah.
So ano yung ginagawa mong pa-practice para
Anong
sa
preparation?
preparation?
Oh, I've been practicing a lot. I've been watching like a lot of YouTube videos and like getting advice from my friends, my mom, everyone. You know.
What about
practice.
formal training for beauty queens?
Oh, we're planning to do that actually within this either next month or this. Yeah.
When is the pageant ba?
The pageant
Yeah.
When?
since September.
September.
Yeah, they got moved to September. It was originally supposed to be in October, but
So you have 5 months to train pa, no?
Saan ang pageant?
it's in Brazil.
Brazil.
Wow. Bongga.
So madami pang time para maturuan ka ng win-win, no?
Yeah.
I will ask advices from her.
Kaya lang pag nanalo siya sa May 2, busy na siya.
Tita niyo, di ba?
Yeah.
Ano din?
Sino
Beauty
kasama
queen?
sa'yo sa Brazil?
Tita niyo.
My mom, my aunt.
Your dad?
My dad, I'm not sure yet. I'm not sure.
Si Miss Melanie na kakausap mo rin.
Oh, I've never met her personally before, but I heard about her from my dad and from my family.
Si beauty queen din.
Gusto mo rin mag-artista, Jo?
Wait, this is coming. Maybe soon, when I'm a lot older, when I'm done with my education.
Mag-practice mo na siya
Okay.
Tagalog na
Pero
makaslaw.
sanay ka bang mag-Tagalog?
I understand Tagalog, but speaking fluently is not my biggest strength. Yeah.
Who's your favorite actor?
Oh, that's Anne Hathaway, especially from the musicals and Princess Diaries. Like I said before, I love Princess.
Eh,
Actor,
local.
Local,
actors.
local.
May crush ka
Local
ba
actor.
na
O nanonood ka ba?
Kilala mo ba sila?
Yeah, Catherine Bernardo.
Catherine.
Sorry, Catherine.
So
And-
guys,
Oh,
What about male stars?
I like Daniel Padilla.
Oh.
Hiwalay na sila eh. Break na sila
Daniel
eh.
fan ka?
I love that. He was my first crush actually.
No?
Don't tell my dad.
okay lang Daniel Padilla naman.
Pero isasama ka ba ng dad mo sa mga tapings niya, shootings niya?
When I was a baby, from what I know, I met Liza Sobrano.
Oh.
Okay. So forevermore.
When I was, yes, I love that show. But too bad I got, ending.
Pero alam mo how good your dad is pagdating sa comedy.
Yeah, I heard about stories. He's also likes to make jokes.
Hindi mo pa nawawatch yung mga movie na nagawa niya or TV
I've
shows?
only ever watched Familia Ko and Girl Boy Backlog.
Familiar.
Mm.
I
Hindi, yung
Hindi, series ni Sylvia.
yeah.
Pamilya
My
ko.
favorite character is
hindi.
Lemon.
Yeah.
Oo,
Yeah, yeah.
oo, oo.
What's the best advice of Joey Marquez to you?
To take things slow, not to rush everything, and to have your own boundaries. He taught me a lot, actually. But that's one of the things that resonates with me. To have my own boundaries and to take things slow.
What about boys? What's his advice?
Don't talk to them.
Really?
No, it's just that as friends,
Mm-mm.
maybe, but I'm not into dating. No.
You're not into dating.
As of right now, no.
Oo.
But you have suitors.
Kaya hindi ka pa naman yata allow.
No suitors at all.
From what I know, I hope not. I hope not.
Pero
Hindi pa
allowed ka na
allowed.
ba?
That's
Not yet.
when I'm probably after college, but now, no.
Pagkausap mo dad mo, nag-i-English ka din. Kasi hindi naman siya mahilig mag-English, di ba?
Oh, he speaks both English and Tagalog.
Sa mga pelikula lang siya nagtatagal.
Oo.
Hindi siya
English
mahilig.
siya.
Hindi siya mahilig mag-English.
Yeah, but he
Sa
speaks
mga
English.
shows nga, di ba? Tagalog na Tagalog siya.
But he speaks both. Sometimes he would mix up the words.
So guys, si Winwin din magaling mag-English.
Yeah, that's true.
Yan. Thank you.
Thank you.